Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap Ethereum to Matic on Metamask. So on Metamask, it is very easy for you to swap from one network to another. So in order to do it, you need to first of all launch your Metamask mobile application, then tap on this swap option in the middle. So once you tap on it, you will see a bunch of different options. Now, since we want to bridge, you need to simply select the bridge option. Then it will redirect you in your MetaMask portfolio. So it will take some time. So you need to just give it some time until it shows you the option in front of you. Now, once you are on this bridge page, you need to simply tap on this section, that is the from section. So you need to simply tap on it, and here you need to select Ethereum. Afterwards, you need to just in the to network, you need to select Polygon. Now in the top, you need to select the token. So if you want to swap Ethereum to WETH, you can do that. So you need to tap on it, and from here you can select your token. So you need to simply use this, and you need to select WETH. After that, you will see Polygon. So in the you receive section, you need to select Polygon token. So your swap options will look something like this. Now once you are done, you need to simply enter the amount of WETH that you want to swap to Polygon. After entering the amount, it will show you the gas fees and a bunch of other details. So you need to simply review those as well. Then you need to tap on the confirm option and wait for the transaction to complete. Once the transaction is completed, you will be able to easily swap from Ethereum to Matic with the help of MetaMask. So if this video helped you out, give it a like, and if you have any questions, you can do let me know that in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well and press that notification bell. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.